Hi guys, so welcome sa aking YouTube channel. So this is our example number 2 for false position method calculator technique. Okay? So etong problem na to is same sa ating bisection method example 2 rin. Okay, so meron na tayong given interval dahil ginamit natin yung table function. If hindi nyo alam kung ano yon sa calculator, balikan nyo na lang yung aking second video. Okay, so punta na agad tayo sa ating calculator. Okay, so first, iset natin ang ating calcu into radians. Okay, then first step, as always, si alpha c is equal to f of a, or basically lahat ng x papalitan mo ng letter a. So 5 alpha a squared plus cos or cosine alpha a, alpha a minus 3. Okay, so colon. Then next is si b naman, alpha d, papalitan natin lahat ng x ng p. Okay, so 5 alpha b squared plus cosine alpha b minus 3. Okay, so colon. Then write our general formula. So alpha x is equal to alpha a times alpha d minus alpha b times alpha c over alpha d minus alpha c. Okay, then last is ilagay si equation 5 alpha x squared plus cosine alpha x minus 3. Okay, then pindutin si calc function. Ano yung ating interval? 0 and 1. Okay, so punta tayo sa ating Excel or table. Okay, so ito yung ating table. So 0 and 1 ang ating assumption. So si C is negative 2. Lagay natin negative 2. Then equal uli, si D is 2.54. 2.54. Oops, mali. Dito yan. 2.54. Okay, then equals, ang x sub m is 0.4405. 0.4405. Okay, then si f of x sub m equals ulit negative sign. Negative. So basically si 0.4405 pupunta sa lower, then 1. Okay, so equals, si A is 0.4405 equal, then si B is 1, so si C is negative 1.12 or negative 1.13. Then equal ulit 2.54, same lang. Then equal ulit 0.61226. 0.61226. Yun yung x sub m. Then equal ulit para mahanap yung f of x sub m, negative. Okay, negative. So basically same ulit, pupunta siya sa lower, then 1 is retained. Okay, A natin is 0.61226. to 1. Okay, ito yung ano natin is negative 0.31. Dito yan. 0.31. So basically same lang to kasi hindi naman nagbago. Okay, equal, same lang. Then next is 0.6541. 0.6541. Okay. Dagdagan pa natin 0.8. Sige. 0.8 equals, so negative pa rin. Okay. Negative. So basically, nasa lower uli siya. Then si 1 is retained. Ilagay na natin si 2.54 kasi same lang yan. F of x sub L lang ang nagbago. Okay, so 0.654108 equals 1. Okay, negative 0.067. Negative 0.067. Then, equal ulit 2.5403. Okay, yan pala yung kanina. Okay, then 0.66301. Ito yung midpoint. 0.66301. Okay, then last, negative pa rin. Okay, okay, so since negative pa rin siya, copy uli ito, mapupunta sa lower, then 1. Okay, equals 0.66301, then 1. Okay, negative 0.01. Negative 0.01. Okay, same lang to kasi hindi naman nagbago si upper. Equals 0.66485. 0.66485. Then, ano yung f of x sub m? Ayan, negative. Okay, on this case, pwede na tayong mag-stop. Okay. So, ang makukuha nating x sub m is 0.66485. So, basically, yan na yung final answer. Ngayon, depende na lang yun sa given. Okay. So, pag hindi nakalagay kung ilang iterations ang gagawin, siguro, if false position method ang gagamitin nyo, around 5 to 6 iterations, okay na. Or as long as yung f of x sub m nyo, ang error nya is 0.30324, 0.0001, ganon. Less than na siya doon. Okay. So, ganun lang siya, guys. Madali lang. Basta kabisado nyo yung general formula. Parang pattern lang din siya. And almost the same ni bisection method. Yun nga lang, mas mahaba yung formulas. So, yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa aking video. Stay safe and thank you.